Zimbabwe's state-controlled newspaper, the Herald, has sparked intense political speculation after publishing an article that subtly elevates Vice President Chiwenga's public image, portraying him as a statesman of presidential stature while downplaying President Emerson Mnangagwa's authority. Sanapenda mashoko atona kuti aiwa vakomana panapo muherald voisa VP Chiwenga in a position yekuti aiwa ndiye mutungamiri kana the head of state weZimbabwe. Panguva ino yatiri kuona pane rift muZANU-PF. Not for subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipita nomodani pamuchenzi. In an article covering Chiwenga's induction into the Roman Catholic Guild, the Herald meticulously crafted an image of a deeply principled, God-fearing, and hard-working leader, a move that analysts see as a deliberate attempt to prepare the public for a potential transition of power. Rather than portraying Chiwenga in his capacity as vice president, the state-run paper framed him as a head of state figure, highlighting his commitment to national service, discipline, and Christian values. Key phrases used in the article emphasized his selfless dedication to the country, his discipline and work ethic, suggesting a leader who is first in the office and committed to national duty. His spiritual and moral grounding, aligning him with Zimbabwe's traditional values. Political analysts argue that these strategic portrayals are rarely accidental in Zimbabwe's tightly controlled state media. Instead, they reflect a broader political narrative being shaped by closed doors. Domashko anobuda panapa toona kuti aiwa vakomana kuHerald vozvipinza panguva yakaoma. Toona kuti aiwa vaisa general ine position yekuti aiwa vamisa mukomana ari selfless, mukomana aiwa anonyatsa kuona welfare yemacitizens ari godly. Panguva ino yatoona kuti panapa bato racho the ruling party ZANU-PF aiwa riri struggle yakanyanyisa. Tiona vakomana vachifaitira kupinda pana 2028. Chitiko chatikuona kuti kunyange nemutungamiri wenyika pana zvekutoko zvinzi akazvinzwa zvinotowedzera mazimbe pamusoro aiwa pemarasha kana kuti maronda atiri kuona kuti ari kunetsa the ruling party. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pinda comment section medu dzimafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like.